everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome back to another makeup video. Today I am going to be doing a Disney inspired makeup look. I took a Facebook quiz recently which told me which Disney character I most like, and I got Alice, and it inspired me to create this video. I don't really go to parties, I don't dress up, but I thought I've got a nice blue dress, I'm blonde, and I know that my sister has some pretty blue makeup, so I thought that I'd make a fun little video about it. So without further ado, my base is done, my eyebrows are done, let's carry on with the makeup look. I haven't got any particular ideas in mind, so this is just going to be winging it. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the Revolution Focus and Fix Concealer. P.S. I'm still very much a novice, so please do not consider this a tutorial. I'm now going to blend my concealer a little bit before setting it with a white shadow. I've just got this plain little white shadow that I'm gonna apply to my lid with my large shadow brush that needs cleaning. I'm disgusting. I do go all the way up to the brow with my base shadow. Because my eye looks always tend to take over that entire area anyway. So that is the base done. Now, the improv. I have here a very old MUA Hall of Fame palette. I'm going to use this blue shade as a transition. So it'll just go into my crease and on my outer eye corner. That was very Bristolian, I'm sorry. And as always, they refuse to look even. So, next we're going to go in with my sister's Mermaids vs Unicorns Revolution palette, and I will be using my smudge brush. For this look we're going to go quite bright, so I'm thinking this shade. Black shade is eyeing me like, Sam, come to the goth side. I must say I'm very tempted. I want this palette for myself. Next I'm thinking of going in with this dark blue just to add a bit of depth before I blend it. Okay, I'm going to use the same brush just to blend it out a bit. This character, because if I look a tiny bit crazy come the end, I will just say it's because I'm in character. I am now blending it out again with my large brush. I'm thinking a sparkly yellow is in order. So I'm just going to search my sister's other palettes for a fun little colour. So I'm now going to go in with the yellow in the Revolution Iconic Division palette. It's not sparkly, but we can add sparkle. Ooh, that's a nice shade. We'll go in next with the glittery yellow in this NYX glitter cream. Just a dab in the center to light it up a bit. Under the eye, I was thinking perhaps a nice little clash back in with the Mermaids v Unicorns and go for the glittery purple shade. I'll be using my angled brush. Lose my head, let's go in with eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Collection Kohl eyeliner for my waterline. And then the Eye Define from MUA for my wings. I think I'm looking very Disney, especially compared to how I usually do my makeup. To finish off the eye look, I'm going for the NYX Voluptuous Lush Lashes Mascara. I did look on Google at Alice cosplays, and I briefly considered trying to replicate someone else's makeup, but I thought my makeup's always better when I improvise. So with both the classic animation and the 2 live action films in mind, I decided to go for my own look, and I think it's gone pretty well. That's the eye makeup done. I'm gonna go in next with my Last Imperfection concealer by Collection and sort out any blemishes or fallout. Next we're going to contour. I'm using Old Reliable. He's on his way out. I mixed those two together because I'm pale. Highlight. If I can find it there. I'm using my Topshop Sunbeam highlighter. It looks like that. I'm also going to do my inner corner and brow highlight while I'm here. Not with this brush though, obviously. Blend my contour with my highlight, beat my face. Next is something that I don't usually do, so I'm probably going to do it wrong, but I thought Alice would have a cute little blush going on, so I've got here the Soap & Glory Love at First Blush. It is beautiful, but it's also a stake because I used to use it as contour. It looks like that. And I've got my little Ted Baker brush. Gonna give her a little rosy glow. Did that do a thing? I'm not sure. And finally, for the last item of makeup, I've got my Barry M lipstick. I've peeled the barcode off, so I don't know the name of it, but it's in the shade 52. It's very bright pink, but in the interest of looking very Disney, I thought that it would finish off the look nicely. If not, I'll look a bit crazy, but that's Alice for you. I love this lipstick, but I hardly ever wear it because it's not goth enough for me. I'm gonna accessorize with two things you'd have seen on my 2-day vlog if you were here for that. My daisy earrings, which I'm in love with. They're so cute and I'm really glad I got them. I only bought them for this video, but I've been wearing them a bit since I got them, and look how cute they are. Now we're gonna take the braids out, get the Alice hair going, and finish with our Alice band. I actually slept in these and then got the train home from my dad's, and they actually stayed in pretty well. Though my hair was looking a bit fluffy when I got home. Do I need a fringe? I feel like I'm all forehead today. Finished look. I will show you it zoomed out. I am super happy with the makeup. I wanted it to look very Disney, very princessy, so I think I managed that, and I would totally wear this as my Halloween outfit too. I look totally naked in this shot. I'm not. the Disney makeup series. I'd love to try another look and maybe suggest a Disney princess or a character you think I should attempt. And I will see you next time with another video. Bye!